A six-digit number, 6A, 6AB, 6AB, is divisible by 12, where A and B are distinct. Find the value of A plus B if the number is to be as small as possible. So the six-digit number has to be divisible by 12, and if it's divisible by 3 and 4, that means it has to be divisible by 12. And to work out whether it's divisible by 3, we would have to add up 6 plus A plus B plus 6 plus A plus B.
Okay.
And if it's divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. To work out if it's divisible by 4, you have to look at the last two numbers. If it's a multiple of 4, the entire number is divisible by 4. So let's get rid of that. So let's say that the last two numbers are 11, but that doesn't work because 4 isn't divisible by 11. 11 isn't divisible by 4, sorry. So if it's a 12 at the end, 12 is divisible by 4, and if we add these numbers up, 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 would be 18, and that is divisible by 3 as well. So we have to find out the value of A plus B. So the answer would be 3.
Very nice. So we have this six-digit number 6. Well, I'm just going to write it as blank blank and then 6 blank blank. And
but those blanks are different.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I'll call this A and B, and this number has to be divisible by 12. And you did this by recognizing, well, 12 is 3 times 4.
Yeah.
So if this number is divisible by 3, and it's also divisible by 4, well, then it must be divisible by 12. So you use the divisibility rule of 3 by checking, by taking the digital sum, and the digital sum has to be a multiple of 3.
A multiple of 3.
And then also the last two digits together, there has to be divisible by 4. And we want the smallest number possible. So you actually tried 1 and 1 first, but there was actually a number you could try even smaller. You could try 0 and 0. That would kind of work. But the only problem with 0 and 0 is that they're not distinct, are they? Just like with 1 and 1, they're not distinct.
They're not. They can't be the same.
Yeah, they can't be the same number. So it couldn't be 0 and 0. So they have to be different anyway. And the next number up would be, will be 3 up because we want the digital sum. We want the digital sum to be a multiple of 3. I wrote it wrong again. So it's actually meant to be 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2.
Because we just want the smallest number. There are others. You can make other numbers as well, but we want the smallest number possible. So yeah, very nice.
And those two are one of the smallest numbers that are not the same.